ExploreTaoist Festival. Yeah. You're not hungry anymore.
Today, all goods should be back again to the hell. Maybe you're a little confused, but I'm completely serious. In Taoist beliefs, in this month, August month, the gate of hell is open and all goods released to this world again. And they come to this world again, and at the end of this month, they shoot back again to the hell. In Malaysia, during this month, there is a festival that they call it Hungry Ghost Festival, and it is one of the amazing festivals in Malaysia, and I'm so excited because it is the first time that I want to visit this amazing festival. Now I am in Bukit Mertajam, Penang estate, and we want to have a look around this amazing festival together. On the street you can see a lot of people here. It's so crowded. It is something like Thaipusam. Around this area you can see a lot of shops, a lot of restaurants, a lot of decoration, and they are getting ready for night because at night they have a lot of performances. It is one of the famous temple in Bukit Mertajam, and also here you can see the king of the hell. I will show you guys in detail. Here is so crowded and you can see people turn on a lot of candles and incense. Look at here. And also you can see Shi Ye statue, the king of the hill. As you can see, Shi Ye has a long tongue and his face is green and he wore golden clothes. Here is a smoke. People go there and wash their body, their face with this smoke, and after that they dedicate a little money, for example 1 ringgit, 2 ringgit, and they believe that if you wash your body, your face with this smoke, it can bring for you luck and success and other good things.
10. You take your this one, pick your foot. Okay.
You're supposed to put some, to get the bell rung, you've got to put some ringgit.
Ringgit? Oh, okay. The smoke was so strong.
I got that on. I got you on video. I'll send it to you.
Thank you so much.
There you go. Look.
All of them, they went in my eyes. A lot of people started to carry a lot of baskets on their shoulders, on their head. Inside the baskets you can find a lot of boxes, a lot of fruits and other things. I think they are people offering. People dedicate a lot of offering to their gods, to their goats, and now people carry these offerings to another places. They put all offerings in one location, and I think they want to burn all of them here. Yeah, and here's my friend from Australia.
Lots to film in Asia, right? Asia is, that's why I'm here.
Yeah.
There's so much to film.
Yeah,
So
of
much colour.
Yes.
So much exoticness, you know. I love it. The West seems very boring compared. It's all neat and tidy, right?
Yeah, here
This
is amazing.
Random,
Yeah.
you know, perfect, really perfect for filming.
Diverse culture, diverse traditions.
Well, Penang is amazing, right?
Yeah,
It's got
amazing.
Indian, it's got Malay, it's
Yeah,
got
of course.
Chinese, and it's got you from Iran.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so
and
much.
me from Australia.
Yeah. Offering are included a lot of papers, a lot of money papers, a lot of innocence, everything that people during this month dedicated to the temple. Now they want to burn all of them here. Look at it, look at it. A lot of money paper, a lot of, but it's not real, it is fake. A lot of innocence, a lot of papers, a lot of decoration. They want to burn it all here now. They want to burn all offerings in 1 hour, so we have still time. I'm going to show you guys the temple, inside the temple, and then we will back that place. In this temple you can see a lot of red decoration, and you can see people put a lot of fruits, especially orange, on the table, and people mostly have innocence in their hand and they are praying their gods. Here you can see only 3 gods of Buddhism. I think in the middle is the king of gods, and you can feel a strong smell here. Oh my god, my friend, I found something so interesting here. Look at it. It is a stone manuscript. I think it is for many years ago. They put in a glass shell here, and I think it is for many years ago. Everywhere is so crowded. Even it is very difficult for me to walk through the people or go other places. They are taking off its decoration, and then they want to move it to another place to burn it with other offering. And also everywhere you can feel the smell of gasoline. In essence, it is so difficult to breathe. I am under pressure. One of the local people told me here is another way to reach at the middle of this place. Here is so crowded, even I cannot talk here. They want to burn it here. They want to burn Shi Ye statue. Oh my God! Oh. A lot of firemen are here. They spread water on the air, on the people. Oh. Here is temperature is so high, and even I can feel it on my face. They are burning all offering here. You can see a lot of firemen, and they spread water on the buildings, on the people, everywhere, because it is so dangerous. It was one of the best festivals that I experienced in Malaysia. It was so awesome, and I never forget this festival because it was amazing. I hope you enjoy watching this video, my friend. See you guys so soon.